When it comes to brewing the perfect cup of tea over a wood-burning stove, a high-quality tea kettle is essential. These specialized kettles are designed to withstand the heat of a wood-burning stove and provide efficient and reliable performance. This list is in no particular order, so be sure to consider your needs and preferences when making your choice. Number 1. Cast Iron Tea Kettle. Cast iron tea kettles are a classic choice that offer excellent heat retention and durability. They are perfect for use on wood-burning stoves and can produce a rich, flavorful brew. Cast iron kettles are also known for their rustic charm and can add a touch of traditional style to your kitchen. Number 2. Stainless Steel Tea Kettle. Stainless steel tea kettles are a modern option that offers good performance and easy cleaning. They are typically lighter than cast iron kettles and can be more affordable. Stainless steel tea kettles are also available in a variety of styles and finishes to suit your taste. Number 3. Copper Tea Kettle. Copper tea kettles are a luxurious choice that offer excellent heat conductivity and a beautiful appearance. They are known for their ability to produce a smooth and flavorful brew. Copper tea kettles can be more expensive than other options, but they are a great investment for tea enthusiasts. Number 4. Enamel-Coated Steel Tea Kettle. Enamel-coated steel tea kettles are a durable and affordable option that offers good performance. The enamel coating protects the steel from rust and scratches, making it easy to clean. Enamel-coated tea kettles are available in a variety of colors and styles to match your kitchen decor. Number 5. Glass Tea Kettle. Glass tea kettles offer a unique and visually appealing option. They allow you to watch the water boil and observe the tea leaves as they steep. Glass kettles are typically made with heat-resistant borosilicate glass, making them suitable for use on wood-burning stoves. However, it's important to handle them with care to avoid breakage. If you prefer to steep your tea directly in the kettle, an electric tea kettle with an infuser might be a good option. We recommend watching our next video on the 5 best electric tea kettles with infusers to learn more about this convenient and versatile appliance.